Is your Audi S3 8P key fob not working? The most common cause is a dead or weak battery. The S3 8P 2006 to 2013 key fob uses a CR32 lithium-ion battery. To replace it, carefully pry open the fob. A small screwdriver can help. Note the battery's orientation, plus and minus, and replace it with a new one, avoiding static discharge. After replacement, check if the fob now unlocks the car. If not, the battery might be good or installed incorrectly, and the next step is remote coding or receiver reset. If a new battery doesn't solve the issue, your key fob might need recoding or the receiver might need resetting. For recoding, you'll need a diagnostic tool like VCDS to pair the fob's ID with your car's ECU. Follow the tool's instructions carefully. Incorrect coding can lock you out. As a last resort, try resetting the receiver. Disconnect the car's battery for 10 to 15 minutes, then reconnect. This clears the receiver's memory, but it may also erase other settings. If problems persist, consider professional help, as issues may extend to the body control module.